iTCA, IMS. Module 5, Implementation of IMS in Organizations. Hey everyone, welcome back to the iTCA, Information Management Systems course. So far, we've explored what IMS is, its life cycle, tools, and technologies. If you missed any previous module, pause this video and check them out for the full learning experience. Today we're diving into Module 5, Implementation of IMS in Organizations. This is where theory meets reality. Because here's the thing, even the best system can fail if it's poorly implemented. So let's break down exactly how to plan, design, integrate, and roll out an IMS smoothly and successfully. Lesson 5.1, Planning and Requirements Gathering. Let's start with planning because, and you've heard this before, failing to plan is planning to fail. When organizations plan properly, they make sure the IMS actually solves the right problems, fits their budget, and aligns with their goals. Here's the process. Define objectives. What problem are we solving? Identify stakeholders, IT teams, managers, end users, everyone who will be affected. Assess current systems. What do we have in place already? Determine requirements. What type of data? How secure? How scalable? For example, imagine a university wanting a learning management system. Their goal? Centralize student grades, materials, and communication. Stakeholders? Students, lecturers, IT staff. Requirements? Cloud access, security, easy reporting. Simple but powerful when planned right. Now, once the plan is ready, the next big step is actually building the system. That's where system design comes in. Lesson 5.2, System Design and Development Approaches. When designing IMS, we focus on user-centered design so it's easy for people to use, scalability so it grows with the organization, security for privacy and compliance, and interoperability so it connects with other tools. When it comes to building, we have three main approaches. Waterfall model, sequential, step-by-step, perfect if requirements are clear and fixed. Agile methodology, flexible and iterative, best when requirements might change. Hybrid approach, a mix of both worlds. A bank launching a CRM system, for instance, might go agile so they can release features gradually and adapt based on user feedback. But even a well-designed system can fail if it doesn't connect to the tools and systems you already have. Let's talk integration. Lesson 5.3, Integration with existing systems. Integration matters because organizations already have HR, finance, and operations tools running. If IMS doesn't connect seamlessly, you'll end up with silos, and nobody wants that. We integrate using APIs for smooth communication between software, middleware to act as a bridge between systems, data migration tools to move old data into the new IMS. Think about an ERP system. It links HR, finance, and procurement so employee details flow automatically into payroll. No duplication, no manual errors. All right, the system is live, data is flowing, but wait, what about the people who actually use it? Lesson 5.4, User Training and Change Management. This part is critical. You can build the most powerful IMS, but if people don't know how to use it, it's useless. Training methods include workshops and seminars for hands-on learning, learning modules for flexible, self-paced learning, user manuals and FAQs for reference. And when introducing change, communication is key. Explain why the system matters, involve users early, and provide ongoing support. A great example? A hospital introducing an electronic health record system trained doctors and nurses based on their specific roles and kept IT help desks open 24/7 during rollout. That's smart change management. Mini quiz. What are the three main steps in IMS planning? Name 2 development approaches for IMS projects. Why is user training important in IMS implementation? Drop your answers in the comments below. Recap. Let's wrap this up. Successful IMS implementation needs planning, design, integration, and training. Approaches like Agile give flexibility, while APIs and middleware make integration smooth. Most importantly, change management ensures users actually adopt the system. In the next module, we'll look at IMS best practices and case studies. You don't want to miss it. So, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs it. See you in the next module, right here on the ITCA Information Management Systems course.